In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter in Excel with blank rows. We will walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own file. First, launch Excel on your device. When Excel opens, you will usually see the start screen with templates on the left and a list of recent workbooks on the right. If Excel opens straight into a sheet instead, that works the same for the next steps. Just make sure the program is fully open before you continue. Next, open an existing book. Use the list of recent workbooks if you see the file there, or browse to where it is saved on your computer. Once the workbook opens, you should see the familiar grid of rows and columns, and at the bottom, the sheet tabs with names like Sheet 1 or whatever you have used. Take a quick look and confirm that the sheet you want to filter is visible and active. Now, click any cell inside your data table. Your data table is the block of cells that contains your headers at the top and the rows underneath. Click a single cell somewhere inside that block, not on an empty area far away. A common beginner mistake is clicking a blank cell outside the table, which makes Excel guess a smaller range. So pick a cell that clearly has data in it, maybe in the middle of the table, so Excel can correctly detect the whole area. From there, go to the Data tab on the top ribbon. At the very top of Excel, you will see tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, and others. Click Data, and the ribbon below will change to show tools for managing information, like sorting, filtering, and data tools. This confirms you are in the right place for working with filters. Next up, click the large Filter button, the one with the funnel icon. It sits in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. Once you click it, small drop-down arrows will appear in the header cells of your table. If you do not see these arrows, check that you really clicked inside the data before turning Filter on. When the arrows show, your table is now ready to be filtered. After that, click the drop-down arrow in the column header that contains the empty cells. Look across your headers and find the column where you know some rows are blank. Click the tiny arrow on the right side of that header. A menu opens showing a checklist of all the unique values found in that column, including an entry for blanks if any exist. This is where you control exactly which rows stay visible. At this point, scroll to the very bottom of the item checklist, then uncheck the box next to blanks. You might need to drag the scroll bar to reach the end of the list if there are many values. When you clear the blanks option and press OK in that same menu, Excel instantly hides every row where that column was empty, while leaving all other rows visible. You have now filtered your Excel data to remove rows with blanks in that column. If this helped you clean up your sheet, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Excel tips.